Hello, guys. I called Jungkook. Why? Jungkook. Jungkook. What happened? Are you okay? Why? I want. Jungkook. It's the baby. Why? It's scary. Jungkook. It's fine, princess. It's baby, not you. Jungkook. Arrange the phrase right now. Jungkook. Have you lost your mind? What are you thinking? Ryan, I thought I could fly. Jungkook, you could have died. Ryan, I am sorry. Jungkook, hey, don't cry. It's not you, it's baby. But don't do what you feel. Just ask me what you want. Jungkook, how can I help you? Old man, actually, the Red Moon is only 2 days away now. Jungkook, I will tell them to prepare everything. Ryan, so the baby will come after 2 days? Ryan, why are you so sad? Jungkook, I can't bear seeing you suffer there. Ryan, don't act like a human. Be a brave vampire. Jungkook, you are awake? Jungkook, how are you feeling now? Fine, lighter. Jungkook, you scared me. Fine. What? Jungkook, you have been unconscious for 5 days. Fine. 5 days? Really? Fine. You are joking. Jungkook, I wish I was. Fine. Idiot. Jungkook, maybe. Fine. My body feels weird. Jungkook, that's normal. Fine. I'm not hungry. Jungkook, that's not a choice. Fine. Bossy. Jungkook, eat. Fine. Jungkook. Jungkook. Fine. When will we find a way for me to escape? Jungkook. Do you still want to live? Fine. What kind of question is that? Jungkook. You love Jungkook. You are comfortable here. You are happy here. Fine. Being comfortable was never the point. This is not my word. Jungkook, after all these years, you still want to leave us? Fine. I never said that, but I want to go home. Jungkook, this is your home. Why? No, this place was never my home. Jungkook, what more do you want from me? I have spent years trying to give you everything. Why? I never asked for anything. I only asked for one thing. Jungkook, then find the way yourself. Jungkook's mom. Well, look who finally decided to visit me. Fine. Mom, can I ask you something? Jungkook's mom, of course. Fine. How do you vampire connect the real world? Fine. I mean, what power allows it? Jungkook's mom, why? Planning to escape. Fine. No. Jungkook's mom, liar? Jungkook. And what exactly do you think you are doing? Brian. Jungkook. Let me guess. You just happened to accidentally sneak into a most restricted room in the mansion. Ryan, it sounds bad when you say it like that. Jungkook. Princess, did you really think I would not notice taking around at midnight? Ryan, I want this book, Jungkook. Jungkook, no. Why? Why? Jungkook, because I already know why you are here. Jungkook, this is not about learning vampire history. You are looking for a way out. Jungkook, after all these years, that's still what you are thinking about. Jawain, because you promised me, Jungkook, and I have spent years trying. Fine, trying. Then where are the results? Every year you tell me to wait. Jungkook, you think I have done nothing? Wine, I think you stopped trying a long time ago. Jungkook, is that really what you believe? Wine, what else am I supposed to believe? That maybe I don't want to lose you. Wine, then that's selfish. Jungkook, selfish? Wine, yes, you choose what you wanted. You choose this world. You choose this life. You choose me. But nobody ever asked what I wanted. Jungkook, stop. Fine. No, every time I talk about leaving, you get angry. Every single time. Maybe the truth is you never cared about what I wanted. Jungkook, enough. Fine, please. Fine. I can't do this anymore. Fine. I can't keep living with someone who gets angry every time I talk about leaving. I can't keep feeling trapped. I can't. Jungkook, fine. If that's what you want, I will take you back. Fine. What? Jungkook, I will return you to your world. Jungkook, but there will be a condition. Wine. Conditions. Once you leave, you will never come back. You will never see me again, and you will never see Jungyu again. Wine. Jungyu. Jungkook, he belongs here. This is his world. His family, his future. Wine. No. Jungkook, that's the price. Wine. I can't. Jungkook, is not this what you have wanted all these years? Wine. That's not fair. Jungkook, fair? Jungkook, was it fair when you kept telling me you wanted to leave? Was it fair when every year I wondered if you did still be here tomorrow? Jungkook, so choose your world or us. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Love you guys.